And you can see the damage that has been done in this area right here.
Today, a first look at the destruction left in the unforgiving fire's wake. More than 100 structures lost or damaged in this Tennessee town, including the mayor's home.
Personally, I think I've lost my house, but, you know, things can be rebuilt.
Overnight,
it's time to go.
These raging flames devouring the terrain. Motorists in Gatlinburg fleeing as residents were ordered to evacuate.
Oh my God, it's so hot.
Wildfires spreading from the state's Great Smoky Mountains to populated areas, turning one of the area's biggest tourist destinations, Dollywood, into an orange Armageddon. Smoke and ash filling the streets. Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies, along with the more than 10,000 animals there, threatened but intact. The fires were fanned by strong wind speeds of up to 60 miles per hour and the Southeast's worst drought in a decade.
In a span of around 15 to 20 minutes, we were dispatched and alerted to almost 20 structure fires.
And as of this morning, more than a dozen structure fires still burning as 2,000 people live hunkered down in shelters. Fire officials now saying they believe the worst is over, and it looks like the weather may cooperate too. Rain is forecast to begin late tonight with 1 to 2 inches expected, and that alone authorities say should nearly put out most of the fires. Lauren Lister, ABC News, Los Angeles.